Okay, so 126 questions करते हैं. This is also again a very easy questions. Okay, so let's do this. Uh, the given question is like the mole fraction of a solute in 100 mole aqueous solution is what? Okay, so this is one line questions and this is very easy questions. As we know, this is the formula for the mole fractions. Okay, this is the formula, right? Tell me yes or no. Yes, the mole fraction is equal to moles of solute upon moles of solute plus moles of solvent, right? Okay, so first of all, we will know how to find the moles of solute, right? So moles of solute, how we will we find? Because here it is not given like what is solute, huh? And even it is not mentioned like what is solvent, right? So generally we will always assume the solvent is water. Solvent is water. Okay, like in a glass there is a water, so water is a solvent, and from upper side we are putting something like sugar, salt. So sugar, salt, that is solute, right? And the mixing of those solute plus solvent is called solution. Is it right? Yes. So how will we find the moles of solute here? See, this is the one line statement that is given in the questions, and from this statement we will know that what is the moles of solute. So see, here it is like 100 molar aqueous solutions. So whenever it is given like 100 molar aqueous solution, 100 molar, so what it means, it means that 100 mole of solute in 1 kg of solvent. Got it? Always, like let's suppose if they are saying like 50 molar aqueous solutions, so it means what? It means 50 mole solute you have in 1 kg solvent. And solvent is what? Solvent is water. Always you have to assume, if there is not mentioned here what is solvent, so always you assume H2O, right? Water. Okay. Yes, and here is given like atomic mass of hydrogen, oxygen. So from here you can also understand why this mass is given here, because we can understand or we can assume the solvent as a water. Okay, yes. So moles of solute is what? 100 directly, because this statement means what? This statement means this 100 mole solute. So moles of solute is 100. That's clear. Now, what is solvent? Solvent like H2O, or their given weight is this right now, given weight. And H2O, what is the molecular weight of H2O? 18, 16 plus 2, 18. Yes. So for getting the moles of solvent, we will use this formula, mole given weight upon molecular weight. So given weight is 1000 grams. Okay, here 1 kg, but here we are writing 1000 gram. Why? Because this mass, this molecular mass is always given as a in a gram, 18 gram. So also we have to write this upper denominator part in gram, so that gram will cancel and this will be the moles of solvent, right? Yes. So just put these thing in this formula. Moles of solute is what? Moles of solute, here I have put in 100, and moles of solute plus moles of solvent. The moles of solute is again 100, same thing, and plus here, and this is the moles of solvent. So once you will solve this part, you will get 0.6428. Okay, and in the answer that we have to be right in this format, which is 10 raised to the power minus 2. So what we have to do, many times we have seen this type of questions like 0.6428 is here, so we'll do 10 raised to minus 2 upper side and 10 raised to the 2 in denominator, and you solve this part and take this part as it is. Don't solve this part. Okay, so after solving this part, this you will get this one, right, which is 64.28. so from here, this is integer type of questions, means you have to insert, you have to type the answer in integer format, because here it is given like round off to the nearest integer, so there should be no any decimal. So let's suppose this is 64.28. so if you want to remove this decimal, okay, now we don't want to remove, so from here we want to remove this part. Okay, so once we will remove this part, so this part may be changed, but when if this value, here it is 2, okay, here it is 2, so here we will write just 64. But suppose here if it is 6, it is 6 and 8, then this part will be 6 and 5, 65. Got it? Okay, this is called the rounding off. Okay, so as you will solve many questions now, you will understand how to do it. Or if you are still getting confused, then you can search on YouTube that rounding off concept for JEE Mains. You will be able to understand more clearly. Okay, so that is it for these questions. Answer is 64, as you know. So this is 64 is the correct answer for this question. Again, this is a very easy questions. Again, we'll do some next questions. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the questions right now. Okay, take care.